Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about a topic that's on a lot of people's minds: money. Specifically, how do people actually make $100,000, $500,000, or even $1 million a year? Is it just luck, or is there a blueprint? We're going to break down the mindset, strategies, and the real-world steps that can take you from where you are now to these major financial milestones. This isn't about get-rich-quick schemes. It's about building a real, sustainable path to financial freedom. So grab a notebook because you're going to want to take some notes. Let's start with the first big milestone: earning $100,000 a year. For many, this feels like the first real step into financial security. It's the level where you can comfortably cover your bills, save, invest, and not stress about every single purchase. So, how do you get there? The most common path is by becoming a high-value employee. This means developing a skill that is in high demand. Think about fields like software engineering, data science, digital marketing, or specialized trades like a master electrician or plumber. The key here is to not just have the skill, but to become an expert in it. Don't be a generalist. Specialize. If you're a marketer, become the go-to person for email marketing automation or paid search ads. The more specialized and in-demand your skill is, the more leverage you have to command a higher salary. But it doesn't stop there. You need to learn how to negotiate. Most people leave money on the table simply because they don't ask for it. Research your market value. Be prepared to demonstrate your impact with concrete results, and don't be afraid to state what you're worth. Many companies have the budget. They just won't offer it unless you push. Another route to $100,000 is through high-commission sales. If you have a knack for connecting with people and can sell a high-ticket item, whether it's software, real estate, or luxury cars, your income potential is directly tied to your performance. This path requires resilience and a thick skin, but the rewards can be incredible. The secret here is to genuinely believe in what you are selling and to focus on solving your customer's problem, not just making a sale. People buy from those they know, like, and trust. Build that trust, and the sales will follow. Now, let's talk about the leap to $500,000 a year. This is a whole different ballgame. It's extremely rare to reach this level of income as a regular employee, unless you're in a very senior executive role, a top surgeon, or a partner at a major law firm. For most people, hitting $500,000 a year means you've stopped trading just your time for money. You've started leveraging systems, people, or capital. This is the realm of successful small business owners, top-tier consultants, and creators with a large audience. Think about the owner of a successful local business, like a landscaping company with multiple crews, or a restaurant that's always packed. The owner isn't mowing every lawn or cooking every meal. They've built a system. They've hired and trained a team to handle the day-to-day operations while they focus on strategy, growth, and managing the business as a whole. Their income is no longer limited by the 24 hours in a day. It's multiplied by the efforts of their team. The key mindset shift is from doing the work to building the machine that does the work. This is also where scalable offers come into play. A consultant who charges $200 an hour can only make so much. But a consultant who creates an online course and sells it to thousands of people for $500 can scale their income dramatically. They did the work once to create the course, and now technology allows them to sell it over and over again with minimal extra effort. Similarly, a YouTuber or an influencer with a large engaged audience can generate significant income through brand deals, affiliate marketing, and their own products. They built a platform that gives them leverage. The path to $500,000 is about building leverage. Find a way to decouple your income from the hours you personally put in. All right, now for the big one: making $1 million or more in a single year. Reaching this level is about scaling everything we just talked about to a massive degree. We're moving beyond a small business and into the territory of a growing enterprise. A large-scale investment portfolio, or a viral product. At this level, you're not just managing a team. You're leading leaders. You're not just running a business. You're shaping an industry. The founders of successful tech startups, real estate developers who manage large projects, or investors who deploy millions in capital are the ones playing in this arena. The mindset here is one of exponential growth and risk management. You have to be comfortable making big bets, but they need to be calculated bets. You're not just thinking about next month's profit. You're thinking about market trends 5 or 10 years from now. You're building a brand, a culture, and a legacy. One of the most common paths to $1 million income is through equity. When you own a piece of a business that grows in value, your potential for wealth is almost unlimited. This is why startup founders can become multimillionaires. They own a percentage of their company, and as the company's valuation explodes, so does their personal net worth. On paper, at least. But it's not just about startups. You could grow your local business into a regional or national franchise, multiplying your income streams. Another path is through sophisticated investing. We're not talking about just putting money in an index fund, although that's a great start for anyone. We're talking about active real estate investing with multiple properties, angel investing in promising startups, or building a complex portfolio of assets. This requires deep knowledge, a strong network, and a significant amount of capital to start with. The money you earned on your way to $100,000 and $500,000 becomes the tool you use to build your $1 million income. Your money starts working for you, generating more money. So what's the common thread through all these levels? It's a continuous process of learning and evolving. The skills that get you to $100,000 won't get you to $500,000. And the mindset that gets you to $500,000 needs another upgrade to get to $1 million. It starts with mastering a high-value skill. Then, you learn to build systems and leverage a team. Finally, you learn to scale those systems and deploy capital effectively. It's also about your relationship with risk. Getting to $100,000 might involve the risk of changing careers. Getting to $500,000 involves the risk of starting a business and hiring employees. Getting to $1 million involves the risk of investing huge sums of money or trying to build a company that changes the world. Your tolerance for calculated risk must grow with your financial ambitions. And let's not forget the importance of your network. The people you surround yourself with will either lift you up or hold you back. As you aim for higher income levels, you need to connect with people who are already playing the game at that level. Find mentors. Join mastermind groups. Go to conferences. Your network is your net worth. So let's recap the journey. Earning $100,000 is about becoming a high-value specialist and mastering your craft. Earning $500,000 is about building leverage through systems, people, or a scalable product, shifting from a doer to a builder. And earning $1 million a year is about achieving massive scale, leading leaders, and making your money work for you through equity and sophisticated investments. This isn't an overnight journey. It takes years of hard work, learning from failures, and staying incredibly persistent. But it is possible. The path has been walked by many before, and the blueprint is there for you to follow. Start by focusing on that first milestone. Master a skill, become indispensable, and learn to negotiate your worth. From there, you can start looking for ways to build leverage. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Your journey to financial freedom starts today. I hope this breakdown was helpful and gave you a clear roadmap to think about. It's not about the dollar amount itself. It's about the freedom and the options that money provides. What's your next financial goal? Let me know down in the comments. I'd love to hear what you're working towards. Thanks for watching, and if you got value from this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more content on building wealth and living a better life. I'll see you in the next one.